Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This morning in one of my classes we ended up talking about billionaires. We were discussing how they became rich and sometimes commenting on how little they contributed to the greater good, and indeed what harm they often do to the world as a whole. One of my students was talking about the oligarchs who became filthy rich after the collapse of the Soviet Union. This was at a time when all of the previously state-owned assets, like the oil company and the gas companies, were being sold off. And a very small handful of guys realised that this was their chance to make a killing. They basically set up these little businesses which went round buying up all of the shares that people had been given in these once state-owned companies. And often, basically, just paying peanuts for the shares. They'd change hands for a little bit of money, sometimes just for a bottle of vodka or something. And before long, the oligarchs at the top had acquired majority stakes in all of these companies. They were the main shareholders. And from that, they became millionaires and then billionaires. You've probably heard of some of these people like Roman Abramovich. Basically, they were very quick off the mark and recognised an opportunity when other people maybe hadn't realised that was what was going on at the time. If you say someone's quick off the mark, you mean that they're quick to understand and react to an event or a situation. So maybe if there's an accident and within 3 minutes the emergency services are there, you might comment later that luckily the emergency services were very quick off the mark and they got to the accident scene or the scene of the accident within a matter of minutes. It's also an expression that I sometimes use in class. Maybe, like you, if you're a teacher, I sometimes start to ask a question and before I've even got to the end of the question, there'll be one student who shouts out the answer and is right. In those situations, I often respond by saying, you're quick off the mark today. You didn't even give me time to finish asking the question. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your social media circle, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use quick off the mark.